Comindware Project versus Notion. Who would have thought? So with as much software that is available today, you got to be able to find which is the better option. Today we're going to put these head to head and see what is going to work best for you. So without further ado, let's climb in. Okay, we're jumping into Comindware, where you can plan, manage, and collaborate. So it's got priority-based planning. Comindware Project actually automates creating schedules that use task priorities and resource assignments. You can manage your deadlines, you can assign tasks, and you can estimate times, and the system builds a complete, efficient schedule for you. The other thing is visual team workload management. So you get a graphical workload view, overload warnings, and instant reassignment impact. So clear visual indicators that show team members task loads so they can work efficiently, red flag alerts that alert managers to resource strain earlier on so decisions can be made, and then also dashboard updates, assignments, and effective in real time, which is fantastic. You also get predictive Gantt charts, so you get real-time status updates, early risk detection, and this overall can improve your scheduling. This allows teams to anticipate any conflicts and plan contingencies before it happens. The last thing is their collaborative workspace, so it offers unified access. Clients and teams share campaigns, files, and documents. You can give different types of access to different members so they can all be on the same page. Transparent communication, they also have that flex. It facilitates clear discussions and prevents redundant work, and it supports collaboration across departments as well as contractors. Again, everyone's in the same place doing the same thing, and that's awesome. The last thing that we talk about, of course, is their drawback. So they have limited third-party integrations, unlike some of their competitors. Their API programming is needed, so there's no simple setups for apps like Slack or Google Workspace or anything like that. And there's also no built-in time tracking timer. Again, your timesheets do exist, but there's no timer for you to actually track hours worked. So you would have to integrate some software for that. However, with their limited third-party integrations, it might be a little bit challenging. All right, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given. You can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. One or two of their drawbacks. There is a lot going on in Notion, so a steep learning curve, yes, that is something that you need to take into consideration. The other thing is the performance issues that have been reported by users. Large complex databases may actually cause slowdowns as well as lag. So consider these before you make your decision. So there you go, folks. Project management software at a glance. The key takeaway here really is to explore both of these tools and see which one fits your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.